Music and money, the digital revolution. Musicians, listen up, this is your moment to shine. The internet has changed the game entirely, opening up endless possibilities. Gone are the days of needing a record deal to make it big. Now you can create, share, and promote your music from the comfort of your home. You have more control than ever before. The power is in your hands to shape your musical journey. It's all about hustle and using the right tools. Equip yourself with the best software and stay updated with the latest trends. The digital age is a goldmine for musicians. Opportunities are vast and waiting to be seized. You can reach millions of fans directly. No more middlemen. Engage with your audience in real time. Think of it as cutting out the record label and connecting with your audience one-on-one. Build a loyal fan base that supports you. This guide is your roadmap. Follow it to navigate the digital landscape effectively. We'll break down the essential strategies. From social media marketing to online distribution, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to monetize your passion, turn your talent into a thriving business. Let's turn your music into a sustainable income stream. Ready to crush it? Let's go. The future of music is digital and it's yours to conquer. Your online stage, building a presence that matters. First things first, you need a strong online presence. This is the foundation of your digital identity. Think of it as your virtual stage, where you can perform and reach a global audience. It's where fans will discover your music and connect with you on a deeper level. Social media is your friend. It's a powerful tool to share your journey. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to reach different audiences. Share your music, behind-the-scenes content, and engage with your followers regularly. Be authentic and connect on a personal level. A website is crucial for your brand. It's your online home base, where everything about you is centralized. Showcase your music, tour dates, and sell merchandise directly to your fans. Make it easy to navigate and visually appealing. Don't forget YouTube, another key platform. Upload music videos, live performances, and tutorials. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged. Post regularly and watch your audience grow. Stay active and keep the content flowing. Streaming your way to success. Spotify, Apple Music, and more. These platforms are revolutionizing the way we listen to and share music. Streaming platforms are where people consume music today. They offer unparalleled access to millions of tracks at the touch of a button. Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, get your music on them. These platforms are essential for reaching a global audience and building your fan base. Every stream earns you royalties, so the more plays, the more money you make. Tracking your streaming statistics can help you understand your audience better. Choose a music distributor like DistroKid or CD Baby. These services simplify the process of getting your music on multiple platforms. They'll get your tracks on all major platforms. This ensures your music is available wherever your fans are listening. Make sure your music is high quality and well produced. Good production can make a significant difference in how your music is received. Promote your music on social media and encourage your fans to stream it. Engaging with your audience online can boost your streaming numbers. Collaborate with other artists to reach new audiences. Joint projects can introduce your music to different fan bases and expand your reach. Don't be afraid to experiment with different playlists and genres to gain exposure. Curating playlists can help you connect with listeners who share your taste. Remember, streaming is a long game. Be patient, consistent, and keep releasing great music. Your dedication will pay off over time as you build a loyal fan base. Section 4. Merch Madness. From t-shirts to digital downloads. Merchandise isn't just about selling t-shirts. It's about creating a brand experience for your fans. Think outside the box. Offer unique items like phone cases, tote bags, or even limited edition vinyl records. Use platforms like Printful or Shopify to create and sell your merchandise online. Keep your designs clean, eye-catching, and relevant to your music. Digital products are another great option. Sell sheet music, sample packs, or even personalized video messages for your fans. Merchandise can be a significant source of income, so get creative and give your fans something special they'll love. Section 5. The power of the crowd, funding your dreams online. Crowdfunding is like having an army of supporters backing your music career. Platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter allow fans to contribute financially to your projects. Offer exclusive rewards like early access to music, behind-the-scenes content, or even personalized merchandise. Keep your fans engaged and show your appreciation for their support. Kickstarter is great for funding specific projects like recording an album or going on tour. Create a compelling campaign video and offer unique rewards to incentivize contributions. Crowdfunding is a powerful tool for independent musicians. It allows you to fund your dreams directly through the support of your fans. Section 6. Sharing your gift, online lessons and virtual concerts. Are you a skilled musician? Share your knowledge and talent through online lessons. Platforms like Skype, Zoom, or even dedicated music teaching platforms make it easier than ever. Offer personalized lessons tailored to each student's skill level and goals. Create engaging content and provide constructive feedback to help your students improve. Virtual concerts are another fantastic way to connect with fans and earn income. Use platforms like YouTube, Live, or Twitch to stream your performances. Charge for tickets or offer different tiers of access with exclusive perks. Interact with your viewers in real time and create an unforgettable experience. Section 7. Making music, making money. Your journey starts now. The digital age has empowered musicians like never before. You have the tools and platforms to reach a global audience, connect with fans, and monetize your passion. Remember, success takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies along the way. Start small, build your online presence, and explore the different avenues available to you. The most important thing is to keep creating amazing music and sharing it with the world. Your journey starts now. Go out there and crush it.